All right, so I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the Lark A1 mic. I'm currently recording on my iPhone, so the entire audio you're going to be hearing so far is the raw front-facing audio of the iPhone 17 Pro. Then I'll connect this and we'll see the night and day difference. So unboxing it now. Just go ahead and use this tier that's already here. Try to be as careful as possible with it so I don't have any fingernails dents in it. Why I got this is because I really like the small form factor. I'm trying to see where is the best way to go about with opening this. Okay, there's a little tape at the bottom here that I can just tear off. Okay, and voila. You have your receipts or welcome manual as well as instruction manual. Okay, then you have the main baby itself. I really like the wrapping. Like, they could have really just put this in the box like that, but they didn't, and I appreciate this. It's just a little subtle quality. Even this feels very high end. Like, this feels high end, and there is something underneath it as well. Ooh. It's not just a case. It seems like it's a case with accessories. Interesting. So they didn't just keep the accessories like inside the carton, they put it nicely inside here. They really thought this out well. These are like wind muffs for the two mics, and it makes the whole unboxing process fun, I guess, because you start with the accessories, then you handle the main attraction. You have your Type-C ports here. You have sleek design. It looks very clean. Very clean. All right. Let me go ahead and see how this sounds. I'll connect it to my phone and yeah. All right, so this is me currently trying to test out this mic that I'm using now. And I hope that the audio is a lot better. I will run the test now and see how it sounds. I think before, when I made that recording, the noise cancellation was on, but now it's off. So what I'm going to do is I want to play this recording back and know exactly how this sounds currently, know if this sounds better. While it's still at the front, then I'll do an A and B comparison now, where I would press the button and turn green, which I assume it's noise cancellation. Let's see how that is. So this is what I assume that the noise cancellation is when you press it once and it turns green. I will go ahead and listen to it back and see how it sounds. And that would be the A and B comparison for this test. But yeah, that's this segment of the video done.